Thanks for staying tuned into Business Lunch on CNBC-TV18. Let's move on. In a setback for ILFS-backed Noida toll booth company, which manages the flyover that connects Delhi and Noida, the Supreme Court has upheld the Allahabad Court ruling, stripping the company of its right to collect the toll on the flyover. We have Ashmit, who's joining in with us with more details on this one. Good afternoon, Ashmit.
Well, indeed, a big setback coming in for Noida Toll Bridge Company. The stock, in fact, locked in lower circuit as we speak. The reason for that essentially has been the Apex Court upholding in Allahabad High Court order, Allahabad High Court judgment rather of 2016, thereby stripping the company of its authority to levy toll on vehicles that are passing on that road. Now, this company essentially was collecting toll on the D&D flyway, which connects Noida to Delhi. It's about a 9.5-kilometer stretch of road, which is critical for movement of traffic between Delhi and Noida. They had been charging toll till 2016, till Allahabad High Court had stopped them. They had challenged that before the Apex Court. There was litigation for the last 8 years, and finally the Apex Court having a final word and unequivocally stating that there is no case made out by the company for going ahead and for charging toll any further. So therefore no tolls need to be paid by vehicles plying on that road. The rationale that the Apex Court has given is that, number one, as far as the award of contract itself is concerned, the Supreme Court said that questioned Noida rather as to why no competitive bidding process was done in terms of arriving at the final candidate. There was also questions raised about the authority exercised by Noida in terms of allowing this company to go ahead and to charge toll. And number three, there were questions raised about the formulation and the computation of the total project costs. The Supreme Court opined that given the language that has been used as a part of this lease agreement, it essentially allows the company to go ahead and to seek recovery of its project costs till infinity. In fact, the Allahabad High Court had said that even 100 years later, we could find this company charging toll on the road for recovery of project costs. So on all of these grounds, the Supreme Court saying no case is made out and therefore no toll to be levied on that arterial road between Delhi and Noida, the D&D flyway. Back to you.
Okay, Ashmit, thank you so much for the latest update on that front. But let's